Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change tooltips font size on Cisco Packet Tracer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change tooltips font size on Cisco Packet Tracer, go to your Cisco Packet Tracer and just hover the mouse pointer on a device. And look, this is the tool tips and its font size is very small. Now I am going to change this tooltips font size. Go to options tab on upper left corner. Now click on preferences. Go to font tab. Here you will find general interface and tooltips. This is the font of tooltips and this is the font size. By default the size is 8. I am going to increase the size. Now I am selecting 10. Now click on apply. Close the preference window. Now hover mouse pointer on a device. Look, the tooltips font size has been increased. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.